Hello, and welcome back. In the previous lesson, we talked about building an emergency fund. Today, I'd like to share one of the simplest financial habits you can develop. A habit that quietly works in the background and makes saving feel much easier. It's called Pay Yourself First. At first, the name might sound a little unusual. After all, we usually think about paying our bills first. Rent, utilities, groceries, subscriptions, and whatever remains at the end of the month, that's what we try to save. But for many people, there simply isn't much left. Not because they're careless, not because they're doing something wrong. Life simply has a way of filling the space we give it, and that's completely understandable. What if we gently change the order instead? Imagine receiving your paycheck. Before spending on anything else, you quietly move a small amount into your savings. Maybe it's $10, maybe $20, maybe a little more, or maybe a little less. The exact amount isn't what matters most. The important part is making yourself the very first person you pay. It's a small action, but it sends a powerful message. You're telling your future self, I matter too. One of the wonderful things about this habit is that it removes the need to rely on motivation. You don't have to wonder at the end of the month if anything is left. You already made your decision at the very beginning. Everything else simply happens afterward. Many people think they need to save large amounts for it to make a difference. In reality, consistency often matters much more than size. A small amount saved regularly can become something meaningful over time, not because of one big decision, but because of many small ones. Think of watering a plant. You don't pour an entire year's worth of water onto it in one day. You give it a little, again and again. Almost without noticing, it begins to grow. Saving money works much the same way. Every small contribution becomes another step forward. Some months might allow you to save a little more. Other months, perhaps a little less. Both are perfectly okay. Progress doesn't need to look the same every single month. What matters is continuing the habit. If your bank offers automatic transfers, consider using them. For example, you might choose for a small amount to move into your savings account automatically every payday. Once it's set up, the habit quietly continues on its own. Many people are surprised by how quickly they stop noticing the transfer, because instead of saving what's left, they naturally learn to live with what remains. And over time, their savings continue to grow, without constantly thinking about it. The goal isn't to make life more difficult. Quite the opposite. The goal is to make good financial habits feel natural, simple, calm, and sustainable. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to save enormous amounts. You simply have to begin. One small transfer, one payday, then another, and another. Little by little, those quiet decisions begin creating something much bigger. Not just a growing savings account, but growing confidence. Because every time you pay yourself first, you're investing in tomorrow's opportunities. You're creating more freedom, more flexibility, and a little more peace of mind. Thank you so much for joining me today. In our next lesson, we'll explore another simple habit that helps you make thoughtful spending decisions without feeling restricted. Until then, take care of yourself. And remember, small steps, taken consistently, can lead to remarkable places. I'll see you in the next lesson.